Hello and welcome, my dear friends. Allow me to take you to a fascinating journey into the past as we explore the ruins of two legendary structures located on Pálavská vrchovina near the Moravian city of Mikulov. In this video, I'm bringing to you the rich history and intriguing stories surrounding the Maiden Castle and the Orphan Castle. Both of those cultural and historical icons stand over a fascinating landscape as a truly unique ruins and represents one of the most notorious tourist destinations of the whole region. The remains of the once significant and sturdy castle known as Děvičky, Dívčí hrady, Mainberg, Maidenburg, are located west of the village of Pavlov on a steep cliff inaccessible from three sides, about 1 kilometer from the highest peak of Pálava, Děvín. The castle was first mentioned in 1222 under the Slavic name Děvičky and remained in a possession of the landgrave due to its strategic position. The ruins of the castle still dominate the eastern end of the Pavlovské vrchy ridge and form an elongated irregular rectangle about 65 meters long and approximately 20 meters wide, enclosed by a high wall. The castle was destroyed by the Swedes after their victorious battle at Jankov in 1645, during which their garrison on the castle plundered and burned both the castle and Pavlov village. Interestingly, the castle was never equipped with a watchtower, which was a part of the defensive system of most contemporary castles. This means that the defense of the castle in this war-torn region relied on unusually high and strong walls, which are still visible today. From the ruins of the castle there is a beautiful view of the Novomlýnské reservoirs and the distant landscape. Throughout history, the castle witnessed many battles, including the Hussite Wars and the 30 Years' War, in which it played a vital role. The castle changed hands numerous times, with notable families such as the Liechtensteins, Dietrichsteins, and Kien-Belassis owning it at different points in history. Similarly interesting but less historically significant Sirotčí hrad, or also Orphan Castle, was built in the 16th century as a shelter for orphans and widows by Johanka from Boskovice. The castle was never meant to be a fortress and did not witness as much conflict as its neighboring castle. However, it saw its fair share of ownership changes, with the Liechtenstein and Dietrichstein families being among the most notable. Over the years, many influential figures resided within the walls of these structures. For example, the famous military leader Albrecht von Wallenstein stayed at the Dívčí hrad during the 30 Years' War. He was a close confidant of the Holy Roman Emperor Ferdinand II and played a significant role in the war's outcome. Another influential figure who stayed at the Dívčí hrad was the poet and writer Vítězslav Nezval. He was a prominent member of the Czech avant-garde movement and wrote a play titled Dívčí hrad that was inspired by the castle's history. Maybe because both castles are now in ruins, they strongly evoke a sense of awe and wonder in every history and culture-loving soul. They reminding us of their significant role in shaping the region's history and culture. The beautiful wilderness surrounding them adds to the allure and makes them popular destination for tourists and history enthusiasts alike. As we conclude this journey, I encourage you to reflect on the rich history and unique beauty of these ruins. I truly want to express my appreciation of your wonderful support. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel to keep up to date with all my future videos. Thank you for joining me on this exploration, and I look forward to sharing more captivating stories and historical insights with you soon. Have a good day. Bye-bye.